Hi there! This is just a quick video to show you how you can contact your teacher through email. So if you're here on your Google Classroom, if you go up to this right-hand corner where these little dots are, you can just simply click on that. It's got all of these tools that Google has. So you're just going to click on Gmail, and if you're already signed into your account, it will just take you to your very own inbox. So here, if you want to talk with your teacher, you're going to press the compose button, type your teacher's email in there. You can put in a subject like if you have a question about math, then you can type your question or anything else you want your teacher to know, and then just simply press the send button. As soon as your teacher responds, the response will come up here in your inbox. Hopefully that helps, and I hope to hear from some of my students soon. Have a great day.